Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to use SUMIF. First of all, we click here, choose More Functions. Then we choose this one, SUMIF. Click OK. Then you choose the range. So, let's say I want to know the total sales for the country China. So, I highlight the cell first. Then, for criteria, I type China. Then, sum range, I need to select here. Means I want the total sum for the sales in China. Click OK. So, let us see whether it's correct or not. So, China 300 plus this one China 100 equals to 400. Yes, it's correct. Let's see another example. So, we click again, more function, SUMIF, okay. Let's say I want to have the total sales for the name that contains LING, which is Mei Ling and Su Ling. So, for the range, I choose here, highlight it, then criteria, I type asterisk LING. So, it will choose the name that contains this word LING, which is in here Mei Ling and Su Ling. Then for the sum range, I will select these cells. So click OK. So we see whether it's correct or not. Mei Ling, which is 100, and Su Ling is 200. So Mei Ling 100 plus Su Ling 200 is 300.